If you're driving the new 4th gen Toyota Tacoma, chances are you're putting that turbocharged 2.4-liter engine to work, whether that's towing, off-roading, or pushing it harder than average. While the new turbocharged system delivers great torque and efficiency, it introduces a new problem: heat. That is exactly why we made the ultimate upgrade for your Tacoma, which is this, our Performance Intercooler Kit for the 2024 Plus Toyota Tacoma. In this video, we're going to be talking about who this upgrade is for, why this upgrade is even worth it, and some of the more benefits and features of this intercooler kit. This intercooler kit is designed for those Tacoma owners who demand consistent performance under load. Our intercooler kit is about protecting horsepower, not about chasing high horsepower numbers. Now, for those of you who are looking to upgrade beyond just the intercooler itself, we also offer direct fit aluminum piping. This aluminum piping offers increased airflow and long-term reliability. Like we said before, it's not about making horsepower, it's actually about saving it. This kit is designed to maintain power under real-world conditions. It has a robust bar end plate core which ensures even airflow across the entire intercooler. It's proven to achieve a 36-degree Fahrenheit reduction in intake air temperatures and wide open throttle. It delivers a 30% lower pressure drop compared to stock, reducing stress on the turbocharger and improving throttle response across RPM range. And it features a 55% increase in intercooler core volume, dramatically improving heat rejection during towing or off-road use. One of the best things to have when you're pushing your Toyota Tacoma is confidence. That is exactly why we designed cast aluminum end tanks for optimal airflow and long-term reliability. They also include billet aluminum temperature sensor ports to ensure a reliable sensor seal. Everything is engineered so you're not dealing with boost leaks or stranded on the side of the road. Our intercooler kit was designed to avoid interference with the Tacoma's adaptive cruise control system. It preserves full functionality of factory safety features. And it was engineered to fit within the tightly packaged engine bay without compromise. In terms of options, we have this available in sleek silver and stealth black powder coat finishes. Having these powder coat finishes helps resist road debris and corrosion. Just a quick heads up though, we do offer piping. However, the intercooler can work with both Toyota OEM piping along with the Mishimoto piping. What's nice too is that this was developed in part with our Mishimoto Performance radiator for the 4th gen Tacoma, so you can maximize cooling capabilities. Back to the charge pipes. If you do decide to upgrade to Mishimoto charge pipes, it does bring a lot more additional benefits. These streamlined aluminum piping improves airflow over stock. The durable aluminum construction gives it long-term reliability. The kit also comes with Duracore silicone boots which resist leaks and blowouts. Constant tension clamps maintain tight seals under boost. It's also available in wrinkle black or red. It also includes a pre-installed 1/8-inch NPT bung for easy sensor installation. If you're looking to maintain low intake air temps while protecting your performance consistency, this upgrade might just be for you. If you're interested in buying this, you can always hit the first link down below. We have options for this intercooler kit as just the intercooler itself, along with the whole entire kit of the intercooler and the charge pipes. If you want general or more information, you could always hit that link again down below. Besides that, that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and we'll see you all on the next one.